Viewing transaction lists. Shortcuts Live provides a comprehensive listing of all of your business's transactions on any given day. In this lesson, you'll learn how to view all transactions for the current day and view transactions for a defined period. From Operations, select Transactions. The transaction listing for the current day will be displayed. Scroll down through the left panel to see all of the day's transactions. Select a transaction to view all of the details. To view transactions for a specific time period, click the filter icon. Click on the From date and select a start date from the calendar. Repeat to select an end date if required. All of the transactions processed during this time period will be displayed in the panel on the left. Click on any of the transactions for more details. Click on any of the transactions for more details. In this lesson, you've learned how to view all transactions for the current day and view transactions for a defined period.